So the aim of today's experiment is measurement of numerical aperture of optical fiber. Numerical aperture of any optical system is a measure of how much light can be collected by the optical system. So for performing this practical, what we required the Sentech 2502A kit, then obviously the optical fiber cable, then numerical aperture measurement jig, okay, from which we will be going to measure this numerical aperture. Okay, so let's start with the practical. What we need to do, connect the power supply cord to the Sentech 2502 kit, connect the function generator, sine waveform, sine input, we need to give the sine input, connect that 1 kilohertz input to the emitter circuit. Okay, connect one end of fiber cable to the output socket of the emitter circuit and the other end to the numerical aperture measurement jig. Hold the white screen, this is the white screen, we need to hold the screen. Hold this white screen facing the fiber such that its cut face is perpendicular to the axis of the fiber. This will be perpendicular to the axis of this fiber. Okay, now this white screen have 4 concentric circles. Okay, the inner circle is of 10 mm diameter, then the second circle is 15 mm diameter, the third one is 20 mm diameter, the fourth one is 25 mm diameter. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to first we need to place this white screen in such a way that all the red lights pour to the first concentric circle of this measurement jig. Okay, then what we need to do, we record the distance of screen from the fiber and L and note the diameter W of this spot. So first what we will do, we will set this jig in such a way that complete light get encircled to the first circle. Okay, so it completely encircle the first circle. Then what we need to do, we need to record the distance. So the first distance over here, we got it as 2.1 centimeter. Okay, then what we need to do, we need to adjust this white screen in such a way that it will encircle the 2 complete circle. Okay, so the length over here we got it as 3.2 centimeter. Okay, so width of the circle W, that is 10, then width of the circle, second circle, is 15. The length of the first circle we will got it as 2.1 centimeter. The length for the second circle we got it as 3.2 centimeter. Similarly, we need to perform for all the circles and then we need to calculate the numerical aperture using the formula W divided by under root of W square plus L plus 4L square. That's it.